The Jasmy Coin community is currently divided on whether the Jasmy MemePad that was launched few days ago was a good move or a mismatch. Now, the truth of the matter is, in this video, we are going to break it down, dissect it, and I'm going to give you guys my own honest opinion on what I think about the MemePad that was just recently launched. And so with just a wallet plus a meme image plus 10 Jasmy coin, anyone can launch a community meme token in few minutes. No coding experience required, and it's not complicated at all. It is easy to set up. Create your own token in 3 steps. Connect a wallet, e.g. MetaMask, upload your meme image, pay 10 Jasmy coin insurance fee, and then launch your Jasmy coin. This is where you can launch it, jasmymeme.com. So visit your Twitter official Twitter profile and then click on this link to proceed with your meme coin launch on the Jasmy ecosystem. We are also going to be looking at the Jasmy liquidation heat map, the Jasmy price update, the orders chart, and also the BTC dominance chart in order to get a clear picture of what we should be expecting for Jasmy coin. If you're here to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. If we are dissecting this down like bluntly, the Jasmy chain was positioned or is positioned as a digital identity, government infrastructure, data rails. But the first thing it launched was a MemePad, which was one of the major reasons that caused the division. Is the Jasmy MemePad launch a good move or a mismatch? Now, the truth of the matter is, from a system perspective, MemePad is a classic chain bootstrap tool because it helps in generating on-chain activities, a lot of trading volume, buying and selling. It also helps in creating wallet transactions and gas usage. And it also lowers the barriers for users to try the Jasmy chain. That is thereby bringing a lot of activities in summary onto the Jasmy ecosystem. Now, this is a standard move for most of the new layer 2 blockchains. It is not a wrong move, if you ask me, often necessary for early stages. Every major ecosystem has gone through this phase. If you ask me, I think the MemePad launch is far more better than launching a layer 2 blockchain with nothing happening on the chain at all. Now, this person said if this is true, this is actually massive for Jasmy coin. Not kidding, which is true. This person tried creating a meme coin but got an error message. I think the error message is fixed already. And hate meme coins for years, focused on utility, support Jasmy for data, democracy. Jasmy first utility is meme coin. The most quoted what Elon Musk usually say, the most ironic outcome is the most likely. Should I make a meme coin? I think this is likely to bring more attention to the Jasmy layer 2 blockchain by the time the market officially recovers. Okay, so this individual is not impressed with the development. He says so far, Jasmy coin is only copying what everyone else has done, such as Bonk and Pom.fun. Now live, go launch a meme coin on. Whoa, big news for Jasmy ecosystem. Very good news. So if you're going through the comment, why some persons are bullish and happy, some are still kind of bearish and indecisive. This individual said, Mama, we made it. And this guy said, we are officially a F joke. It's obvious he isn't impressed with the utility launch. The truth of the matter is, the MemePad Jasmy just launched is an app layer 2, not a core infrastructure. It does not break the long-term plan which Jasmy project is built on and is looking to achieve. But the first impression should have been to showcase utility, not meme coins immediately. Although still, I'm not against the MemePad launch. I think by the time the market recovers, the entire market becomes bullish, that MemePad is going to really bring a lot of volume and attention to Jasmy coin. The real Jasmy chain game is still intact, which is a DID, the identity data permission gas tied to real utility. If the ecosystem for Jasmy Coin continues to stay meme only, then that is when it will officially break the narrative of the core utility Jasmy Coin has been standing on for years. So yeah, that's just that for that. For me, I think they should have rolled out a more solid utility first before meme coin, you get. But at the end of the day, the MemePad launch is still not a bad idea. But if you're paying attention, the entire cryptocurrency market is currently in the extreme fear territory, indicating 25. Last week, we briefly tapped into the neutral zone 49, and we were this close to getting to the grid zone, but due to BTC correction and the wars and rumors of wars, the market cascaded immediately. So it is now obvious that the market direction, market move is now determined by what Trump tweet next. So Trump Twitter posts are now an indicator, a buy and sell indicator for the entire market. So Jasmy Coin is currently trading in a range, obvious range between 0.0075 and also 0.0069. So the last analysis we did on Jasmy failed woefully as a result of BTC going against the trend as well. The market makers were not done. I thought the market makers were done. So we left a lot of void, a lot of inefficiency, which ideally price was supposed to go back to few, but we left them and then cascaded, tanked further to the downside, forming a range. We are now obviously trading in a range. If you're paying attention, if I'm to drag this, you get to say that the range began here. So that range is now obviously acting as a resistance zone, which if you're going to the liquidation heat map, we have huge liquidity above and also liquidity below. We have liquidity around 0.00746 and also liquidity around 0.00699 for Jasmy Coin. And which, if you're coming back to the chart, it is obvious that the liquidation heat map is aligning with what the price action is saying. The truth of the matter is the next price direction for Jasmy Coin is going to be determined by the macro news that comes out next, whether bullish or bearish. That is just the truth. You get, if it's bullish, then we should start expecting further price move to the upside to flip this range high, to flip this range high into a support, and then continue our move to that liquidity territory we left behind. Whether we like it or not, this liquidity territory is going to get filled soon. So yeah, and if the macro news is bearish, then you all should expect Jasmy to retest this range low and then get a bounce from there to the upside. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. The BTC dominance is yet to drop aggressively to the downside. The last time we had that crash, altcoin market exploded in 2017, 2021. So we are still waiting for that aggressive dump. The moment that is happening, I think the drop this time around is going to be massive, and the altcoin pump this time around is going to be aggressive, more aggressive than what we saw in 2021. We are still holding very, very well above the multi-year support trend line we've talked about countless times. So the orders chart against the BTC pair on the monthly time frame just printed a bullish MACD histogram after more than 24 months of not printing any bullish MACD histogram. And if you're paying attention as well, the MACD line has successfully crossed the signal line, indicating that the market is about to have a turnaround and begin to rally aggressively to the upside. The moment we open next month with another bullish MACD histogram, that is a clear confirmation that Jasmy Coin and the rest of the altcoin is about to explode. That is just it. I'm expecting the other chart to pump to around 0.23, which if that is happening, Jasmy Coin is going to pump nothing less than 10x move from where it's currently trading. So that's that for that. Fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes. And the move is going to be determined by the next news that comes out. Like this video if you haven't, subscribe to my channel. Peace out.